Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about what are the key skills required for an investment banking job profile. Not wasting any further time, let's move on this video. First and foremost, key skill required for an investment banking job profile is financial modeling and valuations. आपको कंपनीज के फाइनेंशियल मॉडल्स प्रिपेयर करने आने चाहिए एंड इन केस इफ़ यू आर एबल टू मेक वैल्यूएशन मॉडल्स using DCF discounted cash flow method, relative pricing method, then it will be easier for you to get in this job profile. Coming up to next key skill, अकाउंटिंग नॉलेज आपको कंपनीज के फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स रीड करने आने चाहिए इन केस यू हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग clear understanding of various financial concepts, accounting concepts, then it will be easier for you. Next key skill is excellent PowerPoint mastery. So, if you are able to make good financial models and you are able to present them in a PowerPoint presentation, so it will be good for you to get this job. नेक्स्ट एनालिटिकल एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अगर आप आईबी के रोल के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको एक केस स्टडी देंगे वो उसमें आपको उनकी प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड करना होगा उसके बाद जो भी सजेस्टेड सॉल्यूशंस है वो आपको डिफाइन करने होंगे एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फाइनेंशियल मॉडल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर केस स्टडी सो इन केस अगर आपकी एनालिटिकल एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स अच्छी है देन इट विल हेल्प यू टू गेट इन टू दिस जॉब. Next is communication and storytelling. If you are able to communicate effectively and you have a story to define your solutions, so it will be very easy for you to crack that job. Next is attention to details. As a IB aspirant, investment banking job profile aspirant, आपको attention to detail पर focus करना है rather than any irrelevant information. You have to focus on each and every aspect related to your case study, related to your company for which you are making the financial model. Next key skill is networking and relationship building. You have to work on networking skills as well. You can use LinkedIn, you can use other various platforms to network with the IB professionals. So this help you to get into the investment banking job profile. So yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video and in case अगर आपके कुछ suggestions हैं and any अगर आपके कुछ feedback हैं then you can drop down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.